Uncover hidden patterns in your data with a powerful and easy-to-create histogram in Tableau. Start by opening Tableau and connecting to your data source. In this example, we'll use the sample superstar dataset. Now, let's find the measure you want to analyze. Drag the measure sales from the measures pane to the columns shelf. Currently, Tableau is showing the total sales. We need to transform this into a histogram to see the distribution. Right-click on the sales pill in the columns shelf. Navigate to Create and select Bins. In the Create Bins dialog box, Tableau suggests a bin size. You can accept this or customize it to your preference. For this example, let's keep the suggested size and click OK. You'll now see a new dimension called Sales, and in the Dimensions pane, drag this new Sales in dimension to the rows shelf. Tableau automatically creates a histogram showing the frequency of sales within each bin. You can now see how many sales fall into each sales range. Enhance your histogram by using the marks card to adjust the color, size, and add labels for better readability. To add further context, right-click on the chart, select Add Reference Line, and add a reference line for the average sales to see how your distribution compares to the mean. Finally, polish your histogram by adding a clear title and formatting the axes labels to clearly communicate your insights. Now you can easily identify the distribution, skewness, and any outliers in your sales data, helping you make more informed decisions.